right, we're at 10 o'clock, so that's the pretty much the end of our call. Another just quick things, it's gonna take me 2 minutes. Just some high profile news I wanted to quickly go over that could affect the markets and give us some trade opportunities. Amazon announced, a couple hours ago, they're gonna lay off another 18K employees. We know the last time that happened, the stock took a pretty decent hit. So just keep that on your radar as well. Apple as well, market value falls under 2 trillion for the first time. So if you were on the last profit call, we actually had Apple as a short. So if you look at kind of, price action since then, it was about here. We've been shorting ever since. So, what I would do for Apple is just, same thing with FEGs, wait for price to go into these big boxes like you see here. Normally what's going to happen is price is going to react and you're going to get those shorts. So I'm going to continue to play Apple short. So just wanted to keep that on your radar as well. As far as the news from the Fed minutes today, they did say that the Fed pretty much said they're not going to lower rates in 2023. That's kind of the expectation. So that kind of tells us to kind of expect what we've already been seeing for the past year or so. They did say they're going to eventually stop raising the rates, but they're going to keep them high for an extended period of time. So they're kind of, the writing's on the wall. So, if you know how to trade, like we've been saying, there's a lot of opportunity that should continue to come towards us in 2023, but I don't expect any sentiment to change that from what we've seen over the past year. Because like I said, today they came out and said there's going to be no rate decreases in 2023. They're pretty much worried, in a nutshell, that if they do lower them now, inflation could get more rampant than they can contain. So that kind of tells you as well that they're even unsure. So uncertainty in the market typically breeds lower prices and lower momentum to the downside. So, keep that in the back of your mind as well. But one other thing that I did find interesting, the House did pass a $1.7 trillion bill of funding. So they claim it's going towards like medical and school, all the stuff that they normally say. But, if this money does hit the market, we could see some upward movement just based on this. But, it's kind of to be determined, but definitely keep that on your radar as well, that, they are looking to print $1.7 trillion, which, we know what happens when that goes down. Yeah, bro, I could drop the links for you real quick.
Real quick. So the stake dogs are on your left. We're gonna withdraw those, right? Manage your stake dogs, withdraw those.
Withdraw those, the staked ones, and then once you withdraw them, they should show up here, under withdrawn dogs with a tax reduction. So if you want to sell those, Jamar, make sure you hit select up here versus down here. And how you can kind of preview it is once you hit select up here and you go to sell your dogs, just make sure your BUSD value that you'll get back matches what it should be with that tax reduction.
All right.
So what I mean by that is if you have 100 dogs and 100 dogs is worth $2,700 because dogs are 27 a piece, what you need to do is take 90% minus your tax reduction. So that's how much you should pay in tax. So if your tax reduction is 60%, do 90 minus 60, which is 30%. So whatever the value of your dogs is, you should get that minus 30%. So just make sure, long story short, that when you hit the sell it, that it matches the dollar amount with the tax reduction and not without it. Because if you don't click that button, I'm telling y'all now, if you don't click it, it's going to charge you a 90% tax reduction. So make sure you're crediting that tax reduction that you've been accumulating based on your stake dogs. Okay.
All right. So I'm in to select it on a 67% tax reduction. And then I select that.
Just share your screen, bro. Or if you can, if you wanted to.
Let me share it. This way they can see it in person.
Right. Yeah, because I already did mine, so it's kind of hard to.
All right. Let me log in. Y'all see, I got two computers. I got one that trade futures in stocks and options, and one that trade crypto. All right, let me get into that right now. You don't hear no echo, do you?
What was that?
No.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right. So yeah. So all right. So yeah. So you have it selected already. So you see at the top right where Jamar has the 131 dogs, and it says 67% tax reduction, and he has that green selected right there. Make sure yours is green before you sell, right? So then if you hit
green.
max, yeah. So then if you hit max right there, Jamar, it should tell you, you know, what you'll get
right.
back in BUSD if you sell it right now, basically, with the
That's
tax
cool.
reduction. Yep.
Hey, brother Darrell,
Yep.
with the pigs, we want to sell. With the pigs, we want
and
to
then
sell
the
them.
pigs,
Right?
the same thing, right?
Right. You can sell the pigs as well. So the pigs, you don't have to wait on a tax reduction. The maximum tax, I think, on pigs is only like 3%. So however many pigs you have in the piggy bank or the pig pen. So yeah, so a lot of people probably have pigs in the pig pen as well. So like right here, Jamar, you got what, $400 worth of BUSD you can claim. And then you got 23 pigs. So if you sell those 23 pigs, Jamar, that's what, hit withdraw pigs, bro. Yeah. So I would sell pigs as well. So you'll go here, hit withdraw pigs, hit max, or type in 2360.
That's like, let me, it's not.
Hold on, hit the X.
Oh, hold on. I didn't hit nothing. You hit max here, right? No, that's
And
different.
I hit withdraw pigs again. And then try to type it again, hit 2360.
I think it's already there. It's already there. It won't let me put it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. My bad. Yeah, just hit withdraw. My bad. You don't have to type it in. My bad. Yeah, so just hit withdraw, confirm the transaction. So basically, Jamar, you're about to get 25 or 26 pigs that you could sell, and they're what, $98 a piece. So that's, I don't know, what, 2.5 grand, 3 grand almost. And then you got $400 worth of BUSD that's going to go in your wallet as well. That 430 is going to go in your wallet. All right, so now you should, if you go to like Pancake Swap or something, Jamar, you should be able to see your pigs. You could sell it, and I think the tax is like 3%. And then you should have that $400 worth of BUSD in your wallet. All right, so then just go to swap and put in AFP. Yep. Import that second one.
You said put which one in?
The AFP,
Which
that
one?
second option, import.
Are you still there? I don't know. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can, bro. It was the second option, AFP. I don't know if you can hear me or not, bro. Can you hear me, bro?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hear you.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
So then import. Then you can just sell that for BUSD or whatever. So yeah, so you basically got 2,600 in pigs that you could sell. Change your tax to 3%. I think it's 3 or 4, or it's not going to go through.
Oh, right here, the slippage tolerance.
Yeah, your slippage. Yeah, you got to change that to 3. I think either 3 or 4.
Yeah, it's not gonna let me do it right now.
Go to that settings cog up top, right above AFP.
Yeah.
Under swap, yeah. Change that to 3. Yep. All right, so try 4 then. That should work. Right, and that's it.
All right, cool. Yeah, it went through.
All right, cool.
I'm gonna make sure nothing else is on there.
Yeah, if you scroll down under farms, you should. If you got anything under there, you should see it. So yeah, it doesn't look like you have anything staked here. You do have some drip BUSD LP, it looks like. But you can unpair that on a pancake swap.
Right. All right.
Yeah, everything else looks empty.
All right, cool. All right, cool. Well, hopefully that helps somebody. It helped me. The mastermind supposed to share.
All right, cool. All right, well, that's all on my end, bro.
He said, Sharon, you can swap. Let me send you my personal exchange. You can swap them for free. Hey, send everybody send their dogs to Bradford.
Bradford trying to come up.
Hey, he gonna be paying for dinners for all the next events.
Right.
If you guys notice, just real quick on the, I'm gonna show them real quick. I think I'm still sharing my screen. On crypto, if you're trading crypto right now, right, and you add that FBG, let's see this trade open. Everything that we see here is at a level. So like ETC, if you guys just kind of stick to that thing, if you see 2, this is a 5-minute, you know, when I see them back to back, it normally continues to go down. So everything that I'm seeing right now, if you actually use this, whatever you in, you know, if you didn't sell, like go to BNB, I'm gonna go to BNB, you know, FVG level here, you can take the first one if you want, and then it has a second. And then when I see this one here, you know, this is kind of like the area you'll get out, but on these small levels, you go to that 1 hour, right? The overall trend is still up, but on a shorter time frame, right? this FVG level up here, you know, I would see that there's a short possibility to down to, you know, 255, right? Even though ETH, I mean, that's how easy it is, right? ETH is a short 1260 and under. So that is FVG here is under here. You would stop out at 1260 if it goes above it. And there's a lot of, you know, there's a lot of support under it. But on the short-term time frame, right? This is the strategy here. Just give me a short, and I'll be looking. I mean, that's not a lot. The 1250. You know, it's not a big range. That's why I kind of, you know, for crypto, it's like, you know, the short-term time frame day trading is better to do swings on or longer-term trades on crypto. And that's why, you know, I've been trading the futures just because, you know, a 10-minute, 15-minute move, I can make 400 or 500. Here on crypto, this short, you know, these candlesticks is not that big. You know, it's like $10. You know, $10 moves, which is good if you 10x it, 20x it. I mean, you still can make money, but it just, you know, it don't give me the same satisfaction as trading futures when I can make that amount of money in 5 minutes. So I just wanted to show you, you know, all the crypto traders, which is safe. This is where you get to use the strategy, and you won't lose that much, you won't win that much, but you'll get practice. And that's, you know, you want to get the practice in crypto, you want to get the practice in some of these safer things. So this way you're not losing much. And then when it comes down to it, when you get a futures account or whatever, you know that, hey, you know, I know what to do. It works. Y'all kind of understand what I'm saying? Just get good at the trades first. All right. And that's why we trade the crypto. Like crypto, you're going to have an advantage when the crypto is moving. There ain't nothing better to trade than crypto when everything is bullish. When it's choppy like this, you know, it's good practice. Right? You'll make a little bit of money, but you'll get good. In this way, you know, when it comes down to the bullish market, I guarantee you'll make 10 times more money when that market turns. So this is a good practice. You know, this is when you learn how to trade. Everybody that really learns how to trade, they learn how to trade in the bear market. Because if you can trade in the bear market when it's down, you know, you are a trader. Because everybody can trade in the bullish market. All right, peace out. My sound is going out. I don't know what's going on with the phone. I don't know if nobody's saying nothing or if my internet connection is shady over here. That's why from my crypto laptop, I carry a hotspot. It's not on right now, but I normally trade off this one. Yeah, I'm chopping. All right. Yeah, so my futures and my option is landline, got a direct connection. On my crypto, my mobile, my stand-up desk, I move this around. I use a hotspot even at home. All right, cool. Thanks, Darrell, for having me.
You're welcome anytime, bro. Anytime. All right, y'all. Appreciate it. See y'all next week. And if y'all got any questions, definitely reach out. Let's kill the markets. Let's win together. DCG, baby.